Okay. He's already gotten his finger in the toothpaste. Are your teeth getting brushed? Yeah? Come on. He just wants to eat the toothbrush. Or the toothpaste. I think I feel something else coming in way back there. Look him. Just push in front of him. Ah. There we go. And some of these ones. There. See, I'm all very fresh. Did you get your teeth brushed? Yes. Alright, just want you guys to see him getting his teeth brushed for the first time. I will try to make another video next week for you. Okay, bye.